this here is a last chance to see, as the new children's hospital has just opened yesterday. Old OTIS Lexan hydraulic lift. Here it is. I reckon. Oh, no, here it is. So, maintained by Schindler, 904 kgs, 28 persons. So, don't think that floor indicator doesn't work, I think. Get a look at the interior. It's been refurbished to make it nice and colourful. I definitely think that even though this building isn't being demolished, I'd say this lift's days are definitely numbered. If we see, there's the bell work out here. Nope. Go back to 3, which has been replaced with a G. Oh, that's screwed shut. That would normally be where the phone is. Unfortunately though, this lift is really on. This lift does have a lot of problems, and it has done for many years. I imagine this lift is probably going to get replaced at some point. Even though this building isn't being demolished, it's apparently going to be stripped, so I imagine this lift will be replaced at some point. Oh my god, that undersunk and then came back up. So, no matter what one you go on, it lights up the down arrow, as you can see. So, yeah. There it goes. And that's the 70s OTIS Lexan hydraulic lift in the Children's Hospital at Wellington Hospital.